Dreamy. Taste. Hey friends!
Today we are drawing Peppa Pig holding a balloon. Let's get started! We will start by drawing the head of the Peppa Pig. Her eyes. Her ears. Ugh, and her smile. Now we will draw her dress. It's time to draw Peppa's legs. Now we will draw her hands. In Peppa's hand, we will draw a balloon. Coloring time! First, we will color the skin of Peppa pink. Now we will color the balloon green. At last, we will color Peppa's dress red.
And it's done!
Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video!
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.